Just to be very clear, this video is not about this Sunbeam Designer Series fan, which is working perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with it. Other than the fact that it's cheap junk. And that it does that. I don't really know what causes that. I think it's got something to do with the blade set not being in balance. But anyway, enough of that thing. Let's get on to the actual subject, which is this dirty mess. Look at this thing. Holy crap. How it managed to get this bad, I don't really know. But that's pretty bad. I don't even really know what the problem is. Actually, sorry, no, that's a lie. I can show you exactly what the problem is. It's right here on the label. Written in 3 easy-to-understand words. Made in China. That's the problem. The symptom, however, is as follows. I'm going to put this thing on 5th speed, high speed, and we'll see what happens. I can tell you right away that it's not supposed to be doing that. It doesn't even run on low. You can see. Barely runs on medium. And it's not even running on high, piece of junk. Anyway, so there's one problem. This is the other problem. How the hell do you even engage the freaking oscillator? Well, it won't oscillate because it's driven by the thing. Anyway, you get the point. Let's pull this thing apart. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to show you how to pull it apart on video, because this is actually rather difficult. There's supposed to be a thing down here, and as an evidence of the quality, let me turn on the video light so you might stand a little bit better of a chance of seeing this. There's supposed to be a thing down here. It's gone, as a testament to the quality. And if you want to take this thing off, you've got to, there's one here. You got to lift these pegs up over top of the grill. There's one there, there's one here, and there's obviously 2 on the other side, theoretically anyway. So I'm going to do that off camera because you need 2 hands to do it. And I don't really feel like getting out the tripod. I tell you what, I've never needed 2 hands to get the grill off of a fan before. But I guess I do with this one. Anyway, check this out. If we can get some focus. What a piece. Look at how dirty this thing is. I wager to bet that's part of the issue. The other part being that it's China Pride garbage. Because look at this. That doesn't even turn. It can't even turn on its own. You know what? This thing is supposed to be thermally protected. But I'm surprised that the thermal cutout did not, well, cut out. Because I can't imagine running like that really is any good for it. Well, I'll tell you what. The more it runs, the better it's getting, but holy crap, that's off balance. Wow. What a cheap piece of crap. I found a design flaw while I was taking it apart. How the F are you supposed to get this stupid thing off without breaking it? It's a push fit. Watch what happens when I turn the oscillator on, too. Holy crap, what a piece of junk. I don't even feel real safe running it. Like this. I'm going to have to pull that motor apart and clean it out. Okay, it's now the next day, and I've got it in an endgame state at this point. It works, and we'll demonstrate that here in just a second, actually right now. Not the best. Oh yeah. It comes back slowly. It was working a little better earlier. Here you can see now it's back. Not completely perfect. But acceptable. I kind of tried to fix this. It didn't work the best, but it does actually work. The thing now runs on low speed. At least it did. And it's still running. Not as fast as it's supposed to be. This switch is also a piece of crap. You can put it in between. Stupidest thing ever. It's all back together. The right way to finish this thing off will be to take the motor apart, clean out all the junk, re-oil it, or re-grease it. I think grease is technically the right thing to use. But let's get real, folks. Its location of manufacture, its cheapness, and the fact that it's already actually been replaced with something else that actually worked completely, who cares? So, it runs as it is. It'll probably get used as a hallway fan next summer, and when it dies, then that's it. Endgame. It'll go in the trash, where it belongs. There's nothing really, because I've got other fans that work fine. I've got one over there. I've got one over there, which barely works, but still works. I got one on the floor, and then I got that one. So, this thing doesn't really have a use. And really, the only reason why I don't care is because it's not really worth it. It's just a piece of plastic crap. For completeness sake, here's the box. I don't remember what the other one said. I don't really care. Yeah, the majority of those 100 years has probably been without the help of China. I guarantee you they didn't even make this. This is just some generic Chinese design that they've slapped their name on. If this is even still a company, it probably is nothing more than just a name. Which is a shame. Oh well, not a big deal. It's not like it was one of those good brand names like RCA or Zenith. Horse shit. I guarantee you that 100 other fans have probably used a very similar blade type. And when you consider that this is probably just a generic Chinese design, well, I think we get the point for that. Ooh, oscillation, what a feature. Tilt adjustable head. Easy access control. I thought that said something else instead of more blades. I think you can use your imagination. Still designer series. Redefining comfort. I don't think so. Who the hell wants to tilt their fan up that high? I mean, I don't get it. I thought the point of a fan was to keep people cool. Why would you put all the hot air above and blow all the hot air that's above down onto you? That's kind of stupid. This is a stand fan. I think that's exactly the same chart that is on the other one. Wouldn't be surprised to find that the two come from the same OEM. Anyway, that's it. I have nothing else to show you in the video, so thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off. Oh, see you next time. Till then.